Good evening, teachers and my dear friends. I am Saifullah Munir Khan from grade 6. From grade 6. I am going to make a recipe called the desert, desert without fire. Without fire. Now we will look at ingredients. How to make. Now we will look at ingredients. First we have milk. Then we have a condensed milk and a bowl of dry fruits and one bowl of milk with saffron and mix. Now and we have sugar powder, and we have khova and two colors, red, orange and green, and we have breads. Now we will start making the dessert. First we will take milk and condensed milk. Then now we will mix the condensed milk half of the bottle. Okay. Now we will mix it with the spoon very slowly, because if the milk will fall down. Mix it. Now we will pour the bowl of milk with saffron. Now mix it properly again. Slowly the milk will fall down. Now keep this milk aside, and now we will take khova, make filling. First take khova and take the sugar powder and take 3 teaspoon of sugar powder. 1, 2 and 3. Now mix it properly. Try to break the blocks. Now keep it aside and take the bread and cut its edges. साइड में कर दूँगा. Now you can see that the breads are ready. Now take the milk, take this cola mixed with the powder sugar powder, and mix it, spread it very slowly. Now we will take a piece and keep it up on the kova a little bit. Press a little bit. Now take another one piece and do the same thing. Now take these two pieces and cut it, carefully cut. I am cutting like triangle shape. Place it in the plate. Now keep the chalkboard aside and the knife, and take this plate, big plate, and keep these breads again in the plate. Now take this milk, take the milk and pour it in the plate on the bread also to make beautiful and very tasty also. Now our dessert is ready. Now take the dry fruits and spread it over the full bread. Mix. Now take an orange color and
स्लोली पोर करो.
This is now this is our Independence Day. The theme is the Independence Day Rasmalai with the help of the bread. Thank you and thank you and have a nice day.